In the blueprint of a sovereign life, your partner is either the ultimate force multiplier or the primary source of system drag. Most people choose their partners based on biological impulse and fleeting emotional states. They treat the most significant long-term partnership of their life like a game of chance. The 1% do not gamble. They understand that a partner is an integration of two operating systems. To maintain the machine-like grind, you need a high-performance partner. Today, we resolve the debate, selection versus training. The central fallacy of the consumer mindset is the belief that you can train a low-performance individual into a high-performance partner. This is a catastrophic engineering error. You cannot install high-leverage software on hardware that lacks the processing power to run it. If an individual lacks the innate drive, the resilience, and the obsession for growth, no amount of encouragement or mentorship from you will change their core operating system. You are an architect, not a rehabilitation center. The 1% prioritize selection over training. They understand that character and work ethic are pre-installed traits. When you select a partner, you are auditing their baseline performance. Do they have a high thermal limit for stress? Do they value logic over drama? Are they capable of maintaining momentum when you are in the deep work phase? If the answer is no, you are not entering a partnership. You are taking on a liability that will eventually bankrupt your focus. Next, we address the force multiplier effect. A high-performance partner doesn't just support you, they expand your capacity. They manage the logistics that you don't have the bandwidth for. They provide the clinical feedback that keeps the machine calibrated. They act as a second layer of defense for the mission. In this architecture, 1 + 1 does not equal 2, it equals 11. You are looking for complementary hardware, someone who excels in the domains where you are weak, creating a combined unit that is anti-fragile. Then there is the friction factor. Every time you have to explain the why behind your grind, you are losing energy. Every time you have to negotiate for your right to work, you are leaking wealth. A high-performance partner already speaks the language of the 1%. There is zero friction because the mission is shared. You are both aligned on the trajectory. If you are constantly having to convince your partner of your vision, the system is fundamentally broken. The grind is hard enough. Your home should be the cooling system, not a secondary fire. The psychology of the 1% partner is built on autonomous excellence. You aren't looking for someone to complete you. You are looking for another complete machine that is already running at peak efficiency. Two sovereign individuals moving in the same direction create an unstoppable gravity well. This is the relational infrastructure that withstands market crashes, health crises, and external volatility. To execute the selection protocol, you must be clinical. You audit potential partners based on their past performance data, not their future promises. You look at their discipline, their resilience, and their ability to handle pressure. You don't ignore red flags in the hope that you can fix them later. You reject the low-performance nodes immediately to save the system from long-term failure. Selection is the strategy. Training is the maintenance. You don't train a lion to be a predator. You select the predator and then maintain the environment for it to thrive. Your partner is the most important recruit you will ever make for your empire. Choose the hardware that can handle the load. Audit the baseline. Select for drive. Engineer the multiplier. The machine is only as strong as its closest connection. If you are ready to stop settling for relational drag and start building a high-performance alliance, subscribe. The Relational Architecture series is evolving. We will see you in the next deep dive.